Hey guys, this is Ozzy with OzzyJacobs.com. Today we're doing power yoga. One of my favorite power yoga poses is called Ekapada Kundaliniasana 2, the one-legged arm balance. Let's begin in downward facing dog. So start off with your wrists underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips. Walk your hands forward about 5 inches, then roll the toes underneath you and draw your hips up and back. Press down into the floor so you can really make space through your spine. And then on your inhale, lift one leg up. So it's not about how high you get the leg, it's about how far back it goes. So draw the foot up and back as you rotate your right outer hip, so the hip of this back leg, deeper into the pelvis. And on your exhale, bring your knee to the top of your tricep as you reach the back heel behind you. So the key in this is to make sure that one part of your body, your chest draws forward as your heels draw back. And then lower your elbows down as if you're trying to do chaturanga. From here you can stay, or begin to slowly lift the back leg. It's about lifting the belly, drawing the top of the thigh up. And then slowly, if you have the flexibility, go ahead and straighten your front leg, and then you're in the pose. So every inhale, think about maintaining length through the body, and as you exhale, firm the belly, reach the soles of the feet towards either side of the room. And then to come out, you just bring your back leg to the floor, or back toes to the floor, straighten the other leg behind you, and then you can press back up into downward facing dog. And that is how you do Ekapada Kundaliniasana, the one-legged arm balance.